Videos are for educational purposes only.
First, these tips are a great way to budget and save money while doing your nails at home. I'm going to show you how to size our nails so they fit perfectly. Now, using your affordable nail drill, remove the shine from the fake tips safely. Now, prep for your press-on nails with your nail tips, magnetic nail holder, and adhesive putty.
It's at midnight. You come and pick me up, no headlights. Long drive could end in burning flames or paradise. Fake interview. Oh, it's been a while since I have even heard from you. Heard from you. And I should just tell you to leave, cause I know exactly where it leads, but I watch us go round and round each time. You got that daydream look in your eye, and I got that red lip classic thing that you.
Now, we're going to shape and buff the nails while removing the shine.
Never go out of style, we never go out of style. You got that daydream look in your eye, and I got that red lip classic thing that you like. And when we go crashing down, we come back every time. 'Cause we never go out of style, we never go out of style. You got that long hair slicked back, white t-shirt, and I got that good.
Hey goddess peeps, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, video, and leave a comment about nails.
We never go out of style. Take me up, just take me up. Yeah, just take me up. Oh, you got that daydream look in your eye, and I got that red lip classic thing that you like. And when we go crashing down, we come back every time. 'Cause we never go out of style.
Grab a new alcohol wipe and remove the dust off of the nails.
Look in your eye, and I got that red lip classic thing that you like. And when we go crashing down, we come back every time. 'Cause we never go out of style, we never go out of style. That long hair slicked back, white t-shirt, and I got that good brown fade and a tight little skirt. And when we go crashing down, we come back every time. 'Cause we never go out of style.
This is going to be the affordable gel polish that we're going to be using today. Now, apply a thin layer of gel polish. Now, cure your press-on nails for 60 seconds using your affordable salon quality UV nail lamp. Hey goddess babes, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, video, and leave a comment about nails. Apply a second layer of gel polish. Now, cure your press-on nails for 60 seconds using your affordable salon quality UV nail lamp. We are going to be using nail foils for our simple nail art design. Now, apply a thin layer of foil transfer. Now, cure your press-on nails for 30 seconds using your affordable salon quality UV nail lamp.
Tonight I'ma let you be the captain.
Now, apply a thin layer of gel top coat. Hey goddess babes, make sure you like, comment and subscribe to the channel, video, and leave a comment about nails.
Justice, but I ain't 5-0, y'all.
Now, cure your press-on nails for 60 seconds using your affordable salon quality UV nail lamp.
Placed in the best, well dressed with finesse in a white tee, looking for wifey. Thug girl who fly and talk.
The natural nail prep is one of the most important steps to ensure that your nails last for more than 2 weeks.
Say the titties is out. Newness, here's the anthem. Put your hand up that you shoot with, count your loot with. Push the pool stick in your new crib, same hand that you hoop with. Swing around like you stupid. King of the town, yeah, I've been that. You know I click clack, where you and your men's at? Do the smurf, do the wop baseball bat. Rooftop like we bringing 88 back. They shooting. I made you look. You a slave to a page in my rhyme book. Getting big money, playboy, your time's up. Where them gangsters, where them dimes at? They shooting. I made you look. You a slave to a page in my rhyme book. Getting big money, playboy, your time's up. Where them gangsters at? Where them dimes at?
Hey goddess babes, sanitary is extremely important, so always clean before and after you complete a nail set, whether it's for yourself or your client.
Baby, won't mean anything. All the riches, baby, don't bring what your love can bring. All the riches, baby, won't mean anything. Don't need no other, baby. And nothing is better than gold, and I know. If I was a rich girl, na 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 na. See, I'd have all the money in the world. If I was a wealthy girl, don't make it test me, impress me. My cash flow would never ever end. 'Cause I'd have all the money in the world if I was a wealthy girl.
Come together all over the world, from the hood to Japan, Harajuku, girl. What? It's all love, what? Give it up, what? What? Come together.
Saving money, budgeting, self-care, sanitary, nails. Intend to learn DIY, how-to, making money online, all in one video. At home, saving money with my self-care nail day. And now I'm finished with my simple and easy nail art design.